Okay, so now we are ready to kickstart off our first Django project, which is really easy to do. All you need to do is just type in Django admin start project, then we give it a name. In our case, we're just gonna call it, say, first app. That's it. On ULS, we see that the file was created, so a new folder was created called first app. We can dive in to see what that's all about. So we actually see we have inside another folder called first app and a file called manage.py. Now manage.py helps us to manage our Django application, specifically this installation. So you can check out what it contains by running python manage.py. So you have all these capabilities that you can do. Now Python actually ships with its documentation, specifically Django ships with the documentation. So you can very easily check it out by doing this python manage.py, and then you type in help and then one of the commands that you had previously seen. So voila. So when you do that, you can see what all this is about. That's the manage.py. Then you can go into a first app and you can see other things that are there. So you have our URLs, which provides our routing. We have our WCGI file. This one helps when it comes to deployment. So this is what we'll communicate with the Apache server, for example. Then we have our settings file. Okay, so let's go back. If you wanted to quickly see what we have as our default application, we will start with python manage.py, then run a server. Run server, like that. So let's see what that gives us. So you have an applied migration, so we don't care particularly about that right now. We just want to see if this is running on our browser. So let's do that. So this is localhost and port 8000. Voila. So we have our first Django powered page. So let's get there before continuing on.